why are these pills out? Ted!
Yeah?
Why did you take those pills?
I didn't.
Get over here.
What?
Why did you take those?
I had a headache. I don't know if they did.
Uh-oh. Did you take more?
No, I didn't.
You took more, didn't you?
Ow! It hurts. It really hurts.
Why did you take more?
Because it hurts. It really good. It hurts. Hey, Mr. Sim, I found a way to fix it.
That's gonna end up badly.
Ow! You're fighting too hard. Oh, no! Ow!
Ted! What happened?